This is a quick, easy makeup application for women over 50. I spend the most time on my eyebrows and eye makeup because both are the focal points for your face and the first thing people notice. Instead of liquid or cream foundations, I use concealer sparingly to outline and define my brows and to cover dark areas around my eyes, on my cheeks, and around my mouth. And then I use a large cosmetic sponge or brush to blend the concealer lightly over my entire face to give the appearance of foundation without the heaviness of it. I don't want my eyes to look overdone, so I use warm colored eyeshadows with black eyeliners to give that smoky, sexy effect. I rarely wear false eyelashes because as you get older, your eyes are more sensitive, and wearing lashes on a regular basis can cause more irritation and sensitivity. I use this warm red eyeshadow with a very narrow brush to paint under the black eyeliner and on my eyelids with a larger brush. It just gives a really open eye appearance and is more complementary than light pastel eyeshadow. To complete the smoky eye effect, I use a navy shadow in the outer corners of my eyelids and a pink on the middle lids, and then with a large brush, lightly blend all the colors softly together. I line my lips with a dark pencil and then use a small brush to blend it well and to erase the demarcation line. After I've gently blended the concealer over my face, I use compact powder and lightly blend that over my entire face as well to give an even smoother appearance. I pat a lighter color face powder under my eyes to highlight that area, to conceal the darkness and hide the circles under my eyes. And then I blend well to even out my complexion. Next, I add highlighter to the center of my nose and on my cheekbone. And then I use a warm blush beneath the highlighter and blend those two well together. To complete this quick makeup application, I use a liquid red lip gloss on the center of my lip and then blend it with the outline that I created before. Let me know in the comments how you like this quick and easy makeup application and how well it works for you. Please subscribe, hit that notification button so you will always know when I'm working my magic. Thank you so much again for tuning in. Come back, see me again. Take care until next time. Bye-bye.